Hi guys, today we are going to review the Hapipola Smartwatch wrist. This watch has Bluetooth calling features and has both Apple and Google support. The box contains the user manual, the dial and the strap. Now let's check how to attach the strap to the watch. Firstly, we have to gently push the strap to the dial. And the same method for the bottom portion as well. Once the unboxing is done, the watch must be charged for at least 2 hours. Now let's check how to charge the watch. The strap at the bottom must be removed gently. The end will have a head similar to that of a pen drive. This end should be inserted into a charger, and this is how we charge the watch. Now let's look at how to pair the watch with the phone. After you switch on the watch, swipe up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, click on the third option and now you get a QR code. Now scan the QR code and we get a link. Now open that link and you get 2 options, the Apple Store and the Google Play. As I have an Android powered phone, I will click the Google Play. From the Google Play Store, one must download the Fit Pro app. Once the installation is done, make sure the Bluetooth is on before using the app. Inside the app, there are 4 options: Home, Set, Motion and Mine. In this, after you click the Set option, we get something called Bind Devices to experience more features. Once the option is clicked, the app automatically starts to scan nearby devices. After the scan option, click Hapipola and phone gets connected to the watch. One of the first options of the app is Find. If you click that option, the watch starts to vibrate. You can use this option in case you are not able to spot the watch nearby. Next option is Remote Shutter. With this option, you can control the phone camera. This is a very interesting feature and pretty useful while taking selfies. The third option is Message Push. With this option, you can set reminders for apps on the phone. When you click the option, first, there is something called permission. Click that and enable the Fit Pro option. For example, if you are given permission for a WhatsApp reminder, you will instantly get a message notification on the watch. Click the power button, scroll down and you will see the WhatsApp message on your watch. The color of the watch is black and the material is a mix of plastic and rubber. It is a black color watch and the material is a mix of plastic and rubber. Overall, the watch has a premium look. Now, let's look at the features of the watch. When you switch the power button, we get a default dial option. If you want to change the dial option, scroll left or right. There are few dial options in the watch itself. Now, if you want a custom dial, in the Fit Pro app, under the Set option, click on the dial setting. In that, there's an option called Recommended. Now simply click the dial option of your choice. After that, a sync option will be shown. Once the synchronization option is clicked, the watch is updated with the new dial. Now after switching on the watch, if we scroll up, the first option is Music. With this, we can play, pause, forward or backward the music in our phone. The second is the QR option, which we had already discussed. Next is the menu style, which has 2 options, Grid and Lifestyle View. First option is Steps. Here we get the idea of how many steps one has taken. The second is the heart rate. The third is the dialer. You can make calls through this option. As there is enough space in the watch, you can easily type numbers. Next is the phone book. If the option is synced with your app, you can get all the contacts in your phone. After this, there is running, then sit-ups, jumping jacks, basketball, badminton, tennis, swimming, music, and you can even track your sleep data with the help of the watch. Then there are options like stopwatch, looking for, reset, and messages. As there are WhatsApp and Facebook options as default, you can check the notification in the watch itself. In the More Options section, you have About, Set Language, Set Time, Set Date. You can even choose the choice of your language. Another interesting feature of this watch is that if you long press the dial, you can either connect Siri or Google Assist. Now if you want to troubleshoot your watch, long press the dial, you get the reset option, press yes, the entire data of the watch is reset and you can start fresh.